Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's episode we're gonna be working on the F150 and we're gonna be doing the front differential, replacing the fluid. I'll show you how many you need and what tools you need to get the job done, so stay tuned for that. So right over here we have the filler plug right on top, and on the bottom we have the drain plug. Both of them use the same tool to get them out.
You're gonna have this plug right there. It's the one to drain. It has a magnet on it. I already cleaned it so it doesn't look dirty. And that's gonna be your fluid right there. That's all that came out. We're gonna put it on the sunlight to see what it looks like. And the tool that you're gonna need is this one right here. Okay, 1/2 inch to get both of them out. That one and then your filler plug, which is right over here. Let me show you how it looks like that.
This is the tool that I'm gonna be using to fill it up. So the way you're gonna use it is pretty much self-explanatory on the video. Stick the top in there and then start getting fluid in. Yeah, just like that. Keep going. It's gonna get a little hard because it's sucking all the fluid in. And then we're gonna be ready to add it on the front differential. Alright, you guys, and this is how you're gonna fill it up. Just put it on the filler plug. Remember the filler plug. And I will suggest you just to add a little bit so you can clean any of the dirty fluid that it was there. Just add a little bit and let it drip. Of course, have a pan on the bottom. But that's basically how you're gonna fill it. I do apologize about the background noise if it's annoying to you. You're gonna see some drops coming out, but don't worry about it. When you see a lot, when it's dripping a lot, that means that it's full. So after you put like 2.5.
So it took 2.5 of these guys right here, 75 W90, to fill it up, plus that little guy right there, the additive. So like I was saying, 2.5 to fill it up, front differential on a Ford F150. There's the rest of it right over there, and now it's filled. And how do you know when it's filled? When it starts dripping from the fill plug. That's how you know that it's fully filled. And you have to raise it. I had good enough clearance to do all this job, so there you have it. That's the info for the front differential on the F150 from 2001. I don't know if it probably applies to 2002, 2003, maybe 4. I don't know. Check and make sure that you're using the same oil, probably the same, and then you have the same plugs. And if that's the case, then you can use this video as a reference, right? That's the fluid that I got. Not so dirty, but not so clean either. But it was time to change it. And with this, I will conclude the video by saying thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.